Hey everyone, take a look. This is the DJI Osmo 360. It marks DJI's first generation panoramic camera, an exciting milestone for the brand. Hello friends and welcome. Today we're diving into DJI's very first 360-degree camera. Let's explore its specifications and see what it brings to the table. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The standout feature is the 1-inch sensor, a major highlight. For comparison, the Mavic Air 3S also has a 1-inch sensor capable of shooting in 8K. Here we get 10-bit color depth and 120 megapixels photo capture. Down below, there's a quick release module that supports 8K at 30 FPS recording for up to 100 minutes, a battery life that exceeds an hour and a half. Though, as we all know, DJI's advertised endurance often leans on the optimistic side. We also get 4K at a 20 FPS, 170-degree ultra-wide video field of view, and support for dual microphones offering versatile audio capture. So those are the major highlights and features. Now let's get to the unboxing. How does it feel in hand? Let's find out together. Opening it up, I spot two smaller boxes right away. Can't decide? Well, let's go with the bigger one first. There's also a rod accessory included. Looks pretty essential for most creators. We'll take a closer look at that in a bit. Starting with the larger box, what do we have here? Not the most pleasant smell, but let's not judge a product by its packaging. Pulling it out, this little ring is a lens protector. Moving on to the second box, wait, is there no cable? That's a bit disappointing. Let's take inventory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in total. Let's begin with the rod. This is a 1/4-inch threaded extension pole. The build quality feels solid with a good grip, perfect for handheld shooting in various scenarios. Note, if you buy just the base camera kit, this rod isn't included, but aftermarket options are affordable if you want to add one later. Next up, here comes the star of the show, the DJI Osmo 360 in all its glory. This is DJI's first 360 camera, and those big, bold fisheye lenses definitely stand out. And no, they're not obstacle sensors. They're the lenses themselves. This section here is the battery compartment. How do you open it? There's an arrow. Push down and then up. Got it. Right below is a universal 1/4-inch female thread, so you can easily mount it on a tripod or selfie stick. Let's take a closer look at the camera itself. Here's the power button and another button, possibly for pairing or mode selection. There's a USB-C port, but wait, where does the memory card go? Found it! The micro SD card slot is hidden next to the battery. Very discreet, but it's there. This camera also features a quick release mechanism, and from the design, it looks like it's water resistant too. Now for the screen. This small onboard display is a nice touch. What's this here? Oh, it's a lens cover, essential for protecting the camera's optics. We also have a little soft carrying pouch. I already purchased a tempered glass screen protector, just in case. Now let's check out the battery compartment. I really like this compact design. Reportedly, this 1950 mAh battery supports charging of 3 batteries in sequence, which is super convenient. We'll test the battery life in real-world use later, but DJI claims up to 100 minutes of operation. You can press and hold to check battery levels. Looks like it uses a color indicator system, probably red, yellow, green. We'll confirm once it's fully charged. So we've got 3 batteries in total. And finally, the last item in the box, a carrying case. Now for this piece, what do we have here? A quick release mount. You attach it with a locking button and it lets you adjust the shooting angle. Handy for self-capture or angled shots up to 45 degrees. Oh, and there's also a cleaning cloth for the lens. Overall, it all fits snugly inside the bag. It's a soft pouch, works fine, though I personally went with a more protective hard case. So in the box we've got 1 handheld pole, 1 camera unit, 1 lens cover, 1 battery charging compartment, 3 batteries, 1 quick release mount, 1 cleaning cloth. Note, the tempered glass and hard case I mentioned were purchased separately. That's it for the unboxing and first impressions of the DJI Osmo 360. A detailed review is coming soon, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to our channel for the full performance breakdown.